What's up everybody, my name is Hendrix and welcome to another Green Hell video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get dry leaves. Now this is something that is really important when you want to start a fire, and as a substitute to dry leaves you can use birds' nests, but I mean these are pretty rare, so you're better off just trying to find some dry leaves. So you have two options, two ways how to get dry leaves. You can cut down regular leaves like this with an axe or a stone blade, and then you're gonna have small leaf piles, and as you can see you have like the decay, and that takes about 12 hours, and after 12 hours they transform in these dry leaves. Or you could just walk up to a tree like this, and you can see that these leaves are already dry, so you want to cut that down. And once the leaves are on the floor, you just hold E on the dry leaves, and you can pick up dry leaves right away and start a fire. So it's really easy, you just have to walk around for a bit and find some dry leaves. As you can see they're on like palm trees as well, so it's not just banana leaves. Okay guys, so I hope this video helped you, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.